Hello and welcome to part 12 of this Tableau Made Easy series, and this is an exciting one as we have received a request from our client that wants us to build them an earthquake tracker dashboard using the data that we have. So let's take a look at what they need.
Hello data scientists and analysts, we urgently need your expertise to help us analyze and visualize global earthquake patterns. Using the 30-day sample of data that you already have, our dashboard needs to have the following features. It needs to have a map showing where earthquakes took place, and this needs to also show their intensity in terms of magnitude. It needs to have a list of the top 10 biggest earthquakes so we can easily isolate those. It needs to have a breakdown of the percentage of earthquakes that occurred in each broad location. And then for each of the more granular locations, it needs to show how many earthquakes took place, what the average magnitude was, and what the maximum magnitude was. And what is absolutely vital for us finding patterns is that all of these requirements need to be on one dashboard, and they need to be attached to a single date filter where we can track earthquakes day by day with the ability to manually scroll through one day at a time and have everything update as we do.
Okay, so there we go, quite a big list, but some of the requirements, so the map and the breakdowns of earthquake count, average and maximum magnitudes by location, we already have, so we're in a good position. We will need to quickly create the top 10 list of earthquakes, and we will also need to create this percentage breakdown of earthquake frequency by location broad. But I know for sure that we are more than capable of this after everything we've learned so far. From there, we're going to need to start pulling this all together into a single dashboard. We'll want to make sure we link all of the requirements to a single date filter so that they all update at once. And then we'll get on to making it all look pretty with some formatting. So let's do this. In the next video, we are going to create our top 10 list of earthquakes in terms of magnitude by day, which will be really interesting, and we'll tick off another one of our requirements. I am looking forward to this one and to getting started with our dashboard, so I will see you there.